So in this video we will see what are the events in JavaScript. So events are things that are happened to the HTML element. They can be a web page loading, they can be a field value change, it can be a button click or the double click on the button, it can be a mouse event when we move the mouse to the element, or we can take away the mouse from that element. It can be a keyboard press event like on key up and on key down. So what JavaScript can handle? It can handle the things that can be done when page loads or page unloads, when the button clicks action, when input value need to be verified, when the assignment of event handler function to HTML element is done, then that particular handler can be handled by JavaScript, and it can also prevent the event from being sent or being handled with the help of JavaScript. So let us go ahead and see some example of the events. So let us create a new file. So let us open this in browser. So once you click, the click event has been fired, and if you apply on double click and save this file and open in browser, then you need to click double. If you have input type and you are applying the event on key up, then you can execute the key up event. So when I am pressing the key, any key, it will not execute. Once I am leaving the key, it will execute. That is the key up event. And when I am giving on key down, then as soon as I am pressing the key, it will not get typed on that particular text box. First of all, that event will be called, and then that character will come. And if we have So as soon as I am placing the mouse over here, it will execute. And if I am giving on mouse out, then it should execute mouse out event. So this is the mouse over event. Once I am getting over it, it is mouse over event, and it is out, then mouse out event. So that's all about the events, and you can also add your custom events and utilize so many things. This is the basics of the events. Thank you so much.